हेलो क्लास 12 पढ्दै छौ होला हैन सबै ठिकै छौ म तिमीहरुलाई फेरि कन्टिन्यू गर्न चाहेको छु एचएस 2017 को नेक्स्ट टु क्वेशन दुईटा क्वेशन और मा छ अनि मार्क्स छ 4+3 ओके दुईटैको कति छ 4+3 त प्रथममा छ डिस्कस विथ एक्जाम्पल द डिफरेंट टाइप्स अफ xerophytes आन्सर Xerophytes are plants that are adapted to dry conditions. They have morphological or physiological characteristics that help them to resist droughts. In some cases, both the morphology and the physiology help in drought resistance. They can be classified into three broad categories: ephemeral animals, succulent and the non-succulent perennials. Ephemeral animals are also called drought evading xerophytes or drought escaping xerophytes. They grow in semi-arid region which have a very short period of rainfall. Okay, the seeds germinates with the first showers, quickly grow to maturity, flowers and set seeds so that the plant complete their life cycle during the short period of rain, about 6 to 8 weeks. Their seeds are highly resistant to aridity. The seeds survive through the dry period till the next advent of rains, when they germinate again. Most of these plants are small, roundish, dense shrubs. Succulent are the plants adapted to hot and dry areas. However, they grow in more humid conditions than the ephemeral animals. The plants belonging to the cactus family are of this type. They have fleshy stems, leaves and roots which are wooden and adapted to store water. They are solemn and adapted to store water. Okay, they store large amount of water during the short rainy season. To minimize water loss from the plants through transpiration, the leaves either become very small or modify into thorns or are absent altogether. These are two types of succulent: stem succulents and the leaf succulents. The cactus is a stem succulent, whereas the leaf succulents are agave, aloe, sedum, etc. Non-succulent animals are the two drought-resisting xerophytes or xerophytes. They have several morphological and anatomical and physiological characteristics which enable them to withstand critically dry conditions, so they are called drought enduring plants. Their roots grow very fast and they have a very extensive root system to tap water from the soil. The soil drought conditions are usually accompanied by dry atmospheric conditions such as high temperature, low humidity, high wind velocity, all of which favor high transpiration rates. So water deficiency for these plants is very high and these plants are small and weak. For example, calotropis. Okay, this is the one question. यो सितै जोडिएको अर्को क्वेशन छ. यो मैले पहिले पनि क्वेशनमा गरेको जस्तो लाग्छ, फेरि पनि एकपल्ट म दोहोऱ्याइदिन्छु. डिफरेन्स बिट्विन हेजार्ड एन्ड डिजास्टर. ओके, यो छ 3 मार्क्स को, त्यसकारण यहाँनिर 7 वटा के दिएको छ, डिफरेन्स दिएको छ. म 1 by 1 पढेर सुनाउँछु. लेफ्ट साइडमा हजार्ड छ, राइट कलममा के छ, डिजास्टर. Hazard is a risk related to natural phenomena or anthropogenic causes for both. It poses a threat to human beings and economic assets. And disaster is the outcome of combination of hazard and vulnerability. Number 2, hazards occur frequently, disasters are less frequent. Hazards appear several times in the same manner. Disasters never appear in same manner and in the same way. In the case of hazard, the destruction caused can be managed and rebuilt by local means. In the case of disasters, the damage done is difficult to repair. The damage done is difficult to repair. Hazards are known as the local people as they occur frequently. Disasters are unknown and unusually appear all on a sudden. The hazard can be classified into physical, heat, noise, etc., chemical, oil spills, gas leakage from pipe, etc., biological, viral, bacteria, etc., physiological, and the radiation hazard, etc. And disasters are classified into atmospheric disasters, terrestrial disasters, aquatic disasters, and biological disasters. And number 7, the loss caused by hazard can be measured. Loss caused by disaster is unaccountable and cannot be measured. So, तिमीहरुलाई यही प्रश्नमा म अर्को कुरा के भन्न चाहन्छु भने यो जुन चाहिँ पेन्डेमिक छ त्यो चाहिँ hazard हो या त के भनेर आउन सक्छ तिम्रो यो डिजास्टर हो भनेर सोध्न सक्छ त यो डिफरेन्सबाट तिमीहरुले बुझ्न सक्छौ यो hazard हो कि डिजास्टर हो अब नेक्स्ट क्वेशन छ डिस्टिंग्विश बिट्विन ट्रपिकल साइक्लोन एन्ड द टेम्परेट साइक्लोन लेफ्ट र राइटमा छ म एक एक गरेर लेफ्ट र राइट पढ्दै जान्छु तिमीहरुले सुन्छौ Number 1, tropical cyclone occur in the tropical region. Temperate cyclone occur in the temperate region. Tropical cyclone is often highly destructive. For example, tornadoes, typhoon cause huge destruction. Temperate cyclone has no destructive effects. In a tropical cyclone, the icebergs are closely spaced and the pressure gradient is stiff. In the temperate cyclone, the isobaurs are more widely spread and the pressure gradient is less steep. Due to this steep pressure gradient, wind velocity is extremely high. Wind blows at the moderate speed. The isobars are usually circular in shape. Isobars are usually oval in shape. The diameters of a tropical cyclone is less. The temperate cyclone has a large diameter and spreads over wide areas. In the tropical cyclone, rainfall is heavy and takes place in torrential downpour. In temperate cyclone, rainfall is light and takes place in the form of drizzles. The rain is of short duration. The rain is over a long period. In the tropical cyclones, as air masses of the same temperature and density meets, there is no formation of fronts, rather they are thermal in origin. Whereas in temperate cyclones, the warm tropical area meets cold polar area, therefore a front is formed along the line of convergence of air masses of dissimilar temperature and densities. Hence, the temperate cyclone are characterized by frontogenesis. Tropical cyclone occur in late summer or autumn. Temperate cyclone take place in winter. Tropical cyclone move along with the trade winds from east to west. Temperate cyclone move along with the westerlies from west to east. Okay, so this is our last question. जोडिएको 3 marks को छ. What is the importance of biodiversity? Or write in brief the importance of biodiversity. Okay, वैचित्रता. Biodiversity is important for maintaining ecological balance. The occurrence and the maintenance of ecosystem is dependent upon biodiversity. Biodiversity plays a major role in the creation of ecological pattern. Different types of flora and fauna are found in the world owing to biodiversity. Economic resources consumed by man, including food crops, fuel, medicines, etc., are available to the human world due to biodiversity. Besides, biodiversity enables ecotourism and the recreational activities such as bird watching, forest trekking, enjoying beautiful landscape, etc. Okay, so यहाँसम्म भयो तिमीहरूको 2017 को दुईवटा लङ क्वेसन को आन्सर. अब नेक्स्ट मा फेरि म दुई दुईवटा गरेर दुईटा भिडियो बनाएर तिमीहरूलाई पेश गर्नेछु. ओके, तिमीहरूको काम हो पढ्ने.